Hi everyone, I'm Kristen and this is my sister Alex, and welcome to our fashion, beauty, and lifestyle channel. We did a little shopping today, so our first video is going to be a luxury unboxing, and Alex is going to show you what she got first.
Okay, so we went to Louis Vuitton and I got my first luxury designer bag. Well, it's not my first one. I usually get her hand-me-downs, but I actually went to the store and got to pick this one out and purchase it on my own, so it was an experience. It was fun.
It was.
So I got the Pochette Métis. We don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's something like that. Pochette Métis.
Yeah, good enough.
But it's so cute. I think it's such a perfect little size. It has a top handle on it, which is really, really cute. And you just squeeze these little thingies here to unlock it. And it comes with a strap. And it has two little compartments. And it's pretty spacious. I don't really have a lot that I put in my purses anyways. I don't carry very much, so I think it's a pretty good size for me. It's the original monogram. I was trying to decide between this one and the reverse monogram, but I just went with the original just because I like original. I don't know, I like the original monogram better. And it has the little strap to go on it, which this is probably how I'm going to carry the bag most of the time anyways, just because I like crossbody bags. I like crossbody bags, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to carry it like this majority of the time. And it is an adjustable strap on it, so you can adjust it. And it has a little zippered pouch on the back, which I don't think I'll ever really use that, but
It's good for your phone and stuff.
yeah, I guess so. But it's cute. I love it. I think it's just so cute. I think it's a cute little starter bag for me. I'm obsessed.
Comes with everything.
Yeah. It's everything. I'm gonna wear it out.
Okay, so I also got a Louis Vuitton bag. It's one that I've been wanting for a while, but it's been sold out for like months now. So when I saw they had it in store, I was like so excited and I had to get it. But it is it's the Vanity PM. It's shaped just like a Louis Vuitton makeup vanity bag, but with a little top handle. And it comes with this cute little chain strap. It's like the braided strap, kind of like the Chanel bags have. You just snap it, right?
And you said Louis Vuitton doesn't really, they have these kind of chains, but they don't really do them that often.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen one with the black in it that I can remember.
Yeah, it makes it look pretty.
And it's a smaller bag, and like smaller bags are my thing right now. I don't even really carry my larger bags that much anymore. So I'm always reaching for like a smaller one. But it's so cute, and it's in the reverse monogram, so you have both the like regular monogram, and then it has the reverse monogram on the top. But it's so adorable.
It is, it's so cute.
And you can't really wear it on a like crossbody because it's too short to do that. So it's basically a shoulder bag or top handle bag. Which,
I feel like I would carry it like that more.
yeah, I love the top handle bag.
With the chain hanging.
But this is like my favorite new style bag. Like I have a few of the Chanel vanity bags, and those are the ones that I carry like most of the time. So I'm happy that I have like this Louis Vuitton one now. So cute.
She's cute.
So the other thing that I got, I actually ordered online from Dior. It's another thing that's been sold out for months, so when I got the notification, I was like really excited and I had to get it. this cute little linen pouch. This is the tag. And then it's on like a cute little pillow. I'm not sure the name of it, but I think it's the ID choker, maybe. Not really sure. But it has a little CD here for Christian Dior, and then the chain is like either a curb chain or a Cuban link chain. I'm not sure. I think it's a curb because it's more open. I think the Cuban links are like tighter. But anyways, it's choker style, but it has an adjustable strap, so you don't have to wear it as like a choker. Just put it on.
Let me do that.
And then you can kind of let it hang down here like a little bit.
So cute. I like it better like that than the choker.
Yeah, I do too, because chokers are kind of out, but
Yeah.
I guess this length, like if it's like a 16-inch or shorter, it's called a choker anyway.
So wait, that's still a choker?
It's, yeah, I think if it's like 16 inches or shorter, it's a choker. But yeah, that's so cute. So, but yeah, that was it for today. That's all we got for today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we hope you come back and join us again.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.